response. And that's the conclusion. Learning is the individual's processing of stimuli. Stimuli जो हमसे हमें मिलता है, आपने मुझे गुड मॉर्निंग बोला, मैं भी गुड मॉर्निंग बोलूँगा. सो आपने स्टिमुलाई दिया, मैंने रिस्पॉन्स किया. Learning is the individual's processing of stimuli from the environment and the resulting cognitive structures that produce adaptive behavior rather than stimuli themselves. Thank you. If you have any question, please ask me. But let me tell you, learning is overall change in a person. Social change, the way we interact with society, behavioral change, cognitive change, the way we are processing the data, cognitive like how we are shaping our mind, how we are training our mind. So I have tried to club all the 4 theories so that I can give you the best.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.